Hello guys, welcome back to another video on ForexBay. Today we're going to talk about weekly market outlook for this upcoming Monday on the 20th of January 2025. So let's get started, shall we? So just to clarify, this is not legal financial advice. Anything that you do in these markets is completely down to you, and any risk you take, you must be okay with losing, okay with the fact that you might be losing money. So this is BTC USD example. So as you can see over here, I've drawn a bullish breaker structure over here, and this signals to me that there's going to be a lot of liquidity over here, and there should be very strong uptrends. As we can see over here, there's a lot of institutional order flow generally pushing upwards. Right now we can see over here, I've marked out a consolidation. As you can see, price is not really respecting anything in particular. It's disrespecting these bearish fair value gaps, order blocks as well. It's just creating a lot of mess in the market. So we like to call this consolidation, also known as accumulation. This is just when buyers and sellers cannot push the price in one direction. It just keeps bouncing back and forth. So what are my predictions? Well, I'm expecting price to manipulate out of this consolidation phase into this 1 hour bullish value gap, pump up a little bit, and then get a retracement on the 15-minute chart, target 1 to 2 risk to reward, or 1 to 5 depending on how you like to risk. But personally, how I trade, I always stick to a strict 1 to 2, 1 to 3 ratio. I find that most consistent. So that being BTC USD example, let's look at gold, shall we? Now, onto gold's example. As you can see over here, I've drawn a bearish fair value gap over here, and I'm expecting price to come up into this area, reject it completely since it's a bearish fair value gap. It's gonna dump and then touch this bullish fair value gap and pump right back up. And I'm saying this because if you look over here, there are very smooth equal highs right about here. So I generally like to see this as a very good form of liquidity. So I'm expecting price to take this out, take out these equal highs on Monday, then pump up into this bearish value gap, then pump back down to grab more buyers, and then pump back up. And also stop loss placement is very important, because over here there's also equal highs over here. There's a swing low over here, relatively equal lows. So I took my stop loss slightly under them because price can get aggressive, especially on a pair like gold. You want to watch out for things like that. So that is just my general rule of thumb. Take what you must, take what advice you want to do. But that is my general advice.